deadlock of this opening period. Williams gets a 3. If it goes, it does.
Through the years, he has proven he can make the three-point shot, even though if he plays like a power forward or a center.
Mamuya, dazzle dribble, penetrates, gets it to work.
Very bit tentative, you know, even on the shots, itong si Nambata. Kaya nga medyo nagmimintis. Parang hindi siya kumpinansado dun sa bitaw niya eh. He's got the right moves, but he's not finishing well.
Pero si Mamuya parang pusa. Ang daming galaw na papasok.
2:22 left. May ginagawa niya rito.
9-20. Lead pass. RHJ all the way. Gets it to go.
11 na. 1 minute and 50 seconds left here. Pero both of the teams have very little foul.
Here's Optana. Baseline attack. Try to create the space, followed by...
Naging blessing in disguise pa. You might have a three-point play in the making. It was called on Adrian.
4 blocks and 10 defensive rebounds on an off night proved to be a suffice contribution for the TNT coaching staff because as Dion Thompson puts it, RHJ proved to be challenging when he was guarding him, but he was even more dangerous when he was off the ball. Now we will just be taking a short break, and when we return, we will be bringing you more basketball action.
Steps into the shot.
What a game by Aurin coming off the bench. He has 8 points in the ball game right now. Almost another score.
Aurin has had a great first half. Gets it, and he's in 10 digits.
Well, he's just outplaying Docomo on the other end. And he's defending against... actually, they're defending against each other.
Sends it to the corner. Docomo back.
Nice
Thompson, that wire.
That happened because Kelly Williams was late in coming down on defense. So it became like a 5-on-4.
The opportunity presented itself for Reynolds.
Pero parang nasaktan si Williams doon sa isang...
Kubuntin. Here comes Nambata. Kogoy! Gone! Akyat na naman sa ang abante ng TNT. With 8:42 remaining, we are going to lead.
Nice
Hello,
pass.
Dipsy Duke. Galing kumektos ito si Hollis Jefferson sa border.
Dapat bilyaran laro niya.
Yep.
Or bowling. That nice
Pwede.
spin.
Para matama yung 7 and 10 split, ano ha?
It's a nice, good move. Yeah.
Hang on to it. Here comes Santillan, stretching, get it!
Wow.
May kasama pang foul.
Ngayon, mabigat na yan. Dahil naobligang umupo ito sa kanyang sarili, paggagawa, talagang aatake ng aatake. Raymond Shine went on that, that was an attack against him on every 4-on-1.
Docomo will elevate and score. And I hear a long buzzer. Sounds like a timeout as there was this breakaway. Chot Reyes yelling at these players to go down defensively. They'll talk about that.
He was not only a shooter. Ate was a very good rebounder and
Did many things.
pareho rin kasi taga Papua rin yan.
Absolutely.
So Ate was
5 seconds. Ito na naman si Clarito. Hihiga sa ere. Pasok na naman.
Mga tendency ni Clarito pag one-on-one, you just bulldoze your way.
Goodbye. Get out of the way.
That as long as it's a 1 or 2 possession ball game, they are still in it to win it. And to keep it that way, they will be taking advantage of RHJ being in foul trouble by setting a high screen and roll on Dion in the hopes of...
3 axis. Ready for liftoff. Counter from 3-point country.
Yung step back niya, mabigat talaga yun.
Oh, no.
Not easy to stop. You can't say...
Thompson and Williams get into an arm lock. Oh, yes, sir, that favorite shot.
And he went right again. The screen was set to take him away from the defense of Dion Thompson.
And suddenly the space has been created anew. 893-90, 893. Here's Thompson. Williams all over him. Thompson got it. Lead is down to 9. Here's a test for TNT.
I wonder if they're going to...
The setup job. That will work.
Nice play for Noco.
Lead down to 7. The week we go. Thompson 3. No rebound. Close range. Noco cuts it down to 2. And a timeout call by TNT. Watch the sequence again.
Tuloy sa kampyonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Angat ang laban.